What's up, everybody? I am back with another video, and in today's video I will be revisiting the Taraji P. Henson line. I reviewed about 5 products. I think it was at the beginning of 2020, and I reviewed the shampoo, the conditioner, a mask, like 2 leave-ins, and a style. It might have been 6 products. I don't know, but this is the thumbnail for it. And I'll also link it down below, and it'll probably be in the end screen as well. But I liked it for the most part. There was some, ups and downs to it. And the gel, I ain't gonna even lie, later on it did end up flaking. But when I first applied it, it was okay. So I'm excited because the February Curlbox contains more Taraji P. Henson products. Like I said in that video, I wanted to try more products, but I haven't spun the block again until now. So Taraji has made a couple of new products, and so I'm really excited about these. But the box, it comes with this card with Miss Taraji on here. Okay, and then this is the inside. Okay, and it has Honey Fresh clarifying shampoo. I do already have this, but that's the only thing that I have in this box. Then it comes with, this is a new product, the Mask On Moisturizing Conditioning Mask. Mask On. So like a dark gray color. I like this color, it's cute. The Master Cleanse Targeted Scalp Wash. So this is specifically for your scalp. The Mint Condition Tingling Scalp Conditioner. So I guess this is specifically for your scalp as well. And it comes with the Twist and Set Moisture Rich Twisting Cream, which is new as well. So I'm really excited to be using these products. I'm excited. So if you want to see my second review of the Taraji P. Henson line, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to start out with the Master Cleanse Targeted Scalp Wash. It has these 3 little prongs or teeth, or I don't know what to call them, hands, I don't know. But this is where the product comes out of, you can see. And so I guess you twist it one way, righty-tighty, no, left? What is this? It's left. Okay, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So you twist it left to open it up to get the product to come out. Oh Lord, it's liquidy because you can, I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it's pretty liquidy. But the third ingredient is witch hazel. And I don't think I've ever used a product with witch hazel. So that's why it's liquidy. And water is the first ingredient. So this is like a rinse, scalp rinse. Ooh, that feels so good. Oh, it's cold. So y'all, did you see that? I probably opened it up too wide. Oh, it's running down. I'm probably doing too much. And now I'm going in with the shampoo. So the stuff that's in my eye, yeah, it doesn't burn, but it's just you can tell something is in your eye. They all have that florally scent. Y'all know I'm not crazy about floral, so I'm not gonna sit here and act like I like the scent. But it's like a florally, perfumey type of scent to all of them. But the combination of both of these, I can feel like this cooling, tingly sensation from both of them. Okay, so I just finished rinsing out the shampoo from my hair. And if I remember correctly, this is how my hair felt the first time I used the shampoo. Streaky, stripped. Is this? Yeah, clarifying. That's what I thought. It definitely holds up to its name. It's definitely a clarifying shampoo. Like I said, the first time my hair felt stripped and streaky, and it does again today. So if you're not a fan of clarifying shampoos, if that's not exactly what you need or are looking for during your wash day, you're probably not going to gravitate towards this. But if you need a clarifying shampoo, it definitely does the job. Start out with the Mint Condition Tingling Scalp Conditioner. It has the same type of nozzles. The more you open it, the more comes out, which that just sounds like science. I don't know why I didn't know that. Okay, so that's how it comes out. I'm gonna just do it like this. think it's easier going this way than to go this way. I don't see anything in particularly special about it going directly on the scalp, but I do see that it has peppermint and all that, but that's towards the bottom, so. And then I'm gonna go in with the new Mask On Moisturizing Conditioning Mask. Last time I used the hydrating, was it hydrating? It was the heat activated one, I think. This one is really thick. Super thick. Oh, that smells good. Not as perfumey. Has more of a sweeter smell. I like that. But it's super thick. If I would have known it was gonna be this thick, I would have left a little bit more water on my hair. I like the feeling of the conditioner going directly on my scalp, but I don't see, you know, as far as the top 5 or even top 10 ingredients, what makes it so special for going on the scalp. You're definitely going to want to let this sit. You talking about detangling right after you apply it without putting some heat to it or something? It says if I sit on the dry, I do 30 minutes. So I don't know, 20, 30 minutes. And I'm gonna come back and detangle. Okay, sat up on the dry for about 30 minutes. And we're gonna see what this detangling is talking about. It feels good so far, just from first touch. I don't know if you can see for sure. Soft, kind of shiny. It's taking some strength. Okay, well, once I get past my ends, it was fine. So do with that what you will. Let's do my little problem child here. Y'all haven't seen me do this in a while. Actually, a little easier getting through my ends there. I spoke too soon. Okay, so I'm past the ends. Okay, not so bad. But it was a really thick conditioner, so I'm not expecting like, oh, a ton of slip. This is one of the ones where you gauge it by how it make your hair feel versus its slip. So I just finished rinsing out my hair. If I remember correctly, I wasn't crazy about the red mask, but I did like the blue conditioner that went with this. This Mask On is what I wish the red one would have been. My hair feels really good, which I'm not shocked by with it being such a thick conditioner. My hair feels super soft, and it was a good partner to the shampoo because the shampoo made my hair feel stripped. So following up with this mask made my hair feel really good. And apparently I didn't rinse it out that well, but it's okay. My lips is dry. Crackhead. Need like 10 layers of this. Whew. I'm sorry. Y'all didn't deserve it. I'm gonna use the Twist and Set Moisture Rich Twisting Cream. And I'm gonna do a 3-strand twist out. It's just a regular regular white cream. Not too thick, not too thin. Oh, my scalp feels really good too. I don't know if I touched on that, but my scalp feels really good too. You can feel the peppermint and all that good stuff on your scalp. Feels good. I'm feeling really optimistic because one, I have not had to go and use this or any water for that matter, extra water, for number one. For two, I'm able to twist all the way down and not have to recomb the ends because the product is like, it smooths the hair down so well that I'm not having to do no extra detangling at the ends. for good measure, sometimes I will go in with the comb, but I don't have to. And I think that that's great. See, I don't know if you can tell, but the product is smooth all the way down to the ends. And other than detangling when I first started, I don't feel the need to go back and re-detangle. That's a blessing. Look at that. No extra comb. No extra brushing. Child. This is like a couple days later. I know. It doesn't have any hole to it, but it didn't have really any hole when I finished twisting it either. Again, like I said about that TGIN wash and go, usually by the time I'm finished doing the top of my head, the back of my head is usually dry or hard or has a firm hold to it, depending on the product. And when I finished twisting my head, my hair wasn't developing a cast or any hold to it. So I'm not shocked right now. I'm concerned, but I'm not shocked. So I'm just gonna start taking my hair down. I can't, in my mind, I can't not use an oil. So I'm gonna pick an oil and start unraveling my hair. So I did these pretty small, so I'm not gonna be surprised if I start out with definition. They look pretty good. I don't have any, I have a little bit of flakes, but I think it's just applying too much product. But overall, it's looking good so far. Okay, so these are the finished results of me separating, fluffing, doing everything that I do. It's some puffiness, but overall, I ain't gonna hold you. I'm pleased. I would have preferred for it to have the cream. I would have preferred for it to have a little bit more hold. I was hoping it would have more hold, but that's okay. I like the result and I'm okay with this. I'm gonna say that this time compared to last time, I like these set of products more. Overall, I am pleased with how this wash day went. These are my final results. If you've tried any products from the Taraji P. Henson line last year, this year, period, comment down below. Let me know which ones you tried. Share, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.